Now you need to push the product into the cart's items array, and it says to remember to use the this keyword. Let's take a step back and let's have a review on what we know. We know that we have a array of products, okay? And we have these items, I mean these products. And we also know that we have a class of shopping cart. There it is. And a constructor. So we also know that a class acts as a blueprint for an object to be instantiated. And constructors are always instantiated automatically if an object is created. And we have created an object here, which is the add items. So if the constructor has been automatically instantiated because we created an object, that would mean we inherited these properties of the class shopping cart. Okay, that is where the this keyword comes in. So if you use this, it would refer to any of these three we inherited from the shopping cart. But in our case, it would be the array of items. So we use this to refer the inherited array from the shopping cart items, and then it says to push the product. This is the product actually. So we have referred to the property that is being inherited. So we push that. So we push the product inside our items. That would mean we would pushing this one accessed from the products array to find that product if the ID matches. And if the ID matches, we would have an output of that product of we would have an output description of that product. And that description would be the obtained name and then price because we have added an item. Okay? Nice.